Hey G Squad, welcome back to another episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode at this cool right here, and pretty much what this is a car windshield sunshade that's been used to block out the sun when you guys do put it in the front part of your car, so that way it won't heat up your car as fast and as easy. If you guys can see, for the one that we got right here is a brand called andobil, and this is what the package looks like when you guys do get it. If you guys turn inside right here, they do probably got some specs and features about the product, but what I'm doing right now is open up to show you guys what the inside looks like. So first thing inside right here, if you can see, they do provide you guys a user manual to teach you guys how to set it up and how to use it. They even provide you guys a step-by-step with photos on here in terms of how to use it. And then right next to that, we do have the product. If you guys can see how it's honestly wrapped up. And it's also inside this bag or case to hold it together, which is really cool. So really cool how they do provide this option. But once you guys do take it out, this is what the product looks like. So let's take out the wrapper first. And you see right here how it does tell you guys there is a sunshade. And literally how it works is just like a regular umbrella. Once you guys open up, if you guys fully open it, it's just like opening an umbrella. It's like that. So this part right here will definitely stick out when you guys do set it up. But for this part right here, it's actually pretty cool how it does have a zipper design. So that way you can zip it down to open up this gap if you guys do need to. So whether if you guys want to set up like this, or if you guys want to set up like this, that is totally up to you guys. The reason why there's a zipper for right here is so that way for your mirror area, if you guys do need to zip it down to give that space to fit it in, you do have the option to adjust it. So this is what the product looks like on this side. It does have a very high quality frame on here to hold everything together. And if you guys turn to the other side, here is the other side. So it does have this like very nice cooling material, just like what I mentioned, to kind of cool down like the surface and everything when you guys do use it. It also prevents like the heat from coming in. But once you guys are done, the way how you close it up is by pulling it in like this. And you guys can just wrap it back up together like a regular umbrella. Shouldn't be too hard. Should be very easy and very simple. Just like that. It is all set. So really cool how the product is so small and compact, so that way when you guys are done using it or when you guys are not using it, you guys can just store this on your seat or somewhere else. And once you guys are ready to use it, you guys can just open up really easily. And I love the material on here when you guys do feel it. It definitely feels very high quality. It kind of feels like a water resistant or waterproof material on here, but I'm not sure if it is or not. But what I'm doing right now is to set this up in the car to show you guys what she looks like. And then we'll come back and talk more product in a second. Alright, so here is what the product looks like once you guys do it set it up. And see, I'll give you guys a pretty good cover on here, and having that zipper in the middle is very convenient. So that way I can zip it down when you guys are putting it up because the mirror in the middle. But this actually looks like once you guys do set it up. You can see it definitely works pretty well. And that way give you guys that sun protection, and that way none of the sun can come in, which is pretty cool. And let me show you guys what it actually looks like on the other side as well. Welcome back guys. So nice little quick test of product, and definitely actually does work, actually works quite well. So the whole setup process and everything, just like how I share it here, is not that hard. You literally just open it and close it like a regular umbrella, but it's actually much easier because the way how to design the frame and everything on here is literally so much easier for you guys to open it, and you don't have to worry about hurting yourself when you guys open and close it, which is really cool. But once I do set it up and put it into the car, I can definitely feel the difference inside, especially during like the summertime, or if you guys use somewhere where it's really hot. It can help you guys reduce a lot of the heat when you guys do use it, which is pretty cool. So whether if you guys are planning to use this in your regular car or for a truck or anything else, it will definitely give you guys that sun protection and also give you guys that option to keep your car a lot cooler. Instead of the sun producing the heat into your car, you guys can prevent that from now on. But that is everything that's on the product. Now to unboxing and testing product. Now to answer the question of whether or not worth it or not. So for this product, I do have to say that it is pretty worth it. If you guys need one of these, especially if you guys are in the market looking for a high quality sunshade that's very easy for you guys to take it out, assemble it, and put it away as well. That also give you guys that sun protection and also give you guys like the cooling effect when you guys do use it. Then I do have to say that it is pretty worth it. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or having one of these, obviously don't buy one and save your money on something else actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys, so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.